Hello students, welcome to In 5 Minutes. We'll be starting with May 16 Complex Fourier Series question paper solution, in which question is 3a. Show that cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x is a set of orthogonal functions over minus pi to pi. Hence construct orthonormal set. So let's start with the solution. Now students, we know that for orthogonal function and orthonormal function there are a set of conditions which we need to define and it should satisfy. So first let's check whether this function is orthogonal or not. So according to this function I can write fn of x is cos nx, and in similar way I can also write fm of x is cos mx. So they are just different function because according to my condition of orthogonal, the first condition is ranges from minus pi to pi fm of x into fn of x dx. Let's find this, and this should be equal to, when there are two different functions, this should be equal to 0. So I put minus pi to pi, function is cos mx into cos nx. So let's integrate, that comes to be cos a cos b, minus pi to pi, cos a cos b comes to be cos a plus b plus cos a minus b with respect to dx 1 by 2. This comes to be sine of m plus n into x. This gets divided with m plus n plus sine of m minus n into x, that gets divided by m minus n, where limits are from minus pi to pi, and once you substitute limit, this comes to be 0. So that's my first condition. So the second condition is from minus pi to pi fm of x the whole square. So we can write here minus pi to pi, that is cos mx the whole square dx, which comes to be minus pi to pi 1 plus cos 2 mx, and that gets divided to 2 dx. Now let's solve that. So that comes 1 by 2. First integration of 1 is x plus integration of cos is sine 2 mx, and that gets divided to 2m, that is minus pi to pi. So 1 by 2, let's substitute here. So that comes, first is 2 pi, and we substitute here, that comes to be 0, and this finally comes to be pi. So from first condition and second condition I can say this is not equal to 0. So I can say function is orthogonal. So therefore the given function are orthogonal over minus pi to pi. So I say if the set of function to be orthonormal, we should have minus pi to pi fm of x whole square, this should be equal to 1. So the value which I have got, that is pi. So what I do now, divide both sides by pi. So hence I can write 1 upon pi minus pi to pi fm of x the whole square dx, that comes to be, the answer was pi. Now I'm going to divide it by pi. So hence I can write minus pi to pi fm of x is cos mx, and let's write here 1 upon root pi into 1 upon root pi again cos mx dx, and that comes to be 1. With respect to this I can write, therefore orthonormal set, where let's define a function phi m of x is 1 upon root pi cos mx, and set is 1 upon root pi cos x, 1 upon root pi cos 2x, 1 upon root pi cos 3x dot dot dot, and this comes to be orthonormal set. Thank you for watching video on in 5 minutes.